The idea is to categorize your wellness-related activities so that you can easily choose an activity based on your current needs and how much time you want to dedicate on any given day. You'll see on the self-care menu, we've categorized it into mind, body, and soul, and 10 minutes or less, 30 minutes or less, and 60 minutes or more. 10 minutes or less. These are quick and simple activities that can be done anywhere. 30 minutes or less. These activities require a little more time investment and therefore may need to be pre-planned and scheduled into your day. Some of these activities can be done on your lunch break, or they may even form part of your morning ritual. 60 minutes or more. These are the activities that require the most time investment and will likely need to be pre-planned ahead of time. There's always going to be activities that fall into all three categories, but just to avoid duplication, think about how a specific ritual makes you feel and what part of your well-being it contributes to the most. The self-care menu goes hand in hand with the daily self-care planner, which is located on your weekly spread. The self-care menu works as a bit of a reference point, which helps alleviate decision fatigue, especially when you're unsure how to recharge or de-stress in the 10 minutes that you have before a meeting, for example.